In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Lovable. To do this, first gonna open up Lovable, and for this you will need to have one of their paid plans. So in any of their paid plans you will be able to connect a custom domain. If you haven't yet upgraded, you will have to upgrade to again one of their paid plans. Now once you have done that, just open up the project that you want to connect your Namecheap domain with. So for example, I'll use this one right here, which is a watch website. And then what you want to do is click on publish in the top right and click on plus custom domain right here. Now what you can do here is go to add existing domain and click connect domain. Then here click continue, and then here enter the domain that you own on Namecheap, which for me is danimakestutorials.online. Then you can choose if you want to use a subdomain such as shop.danimakestutorials or app. For example, I'll just use the normal one, so that's www, then click continue. Now it will analyze your domain, then it will detect the DNS providers. So again, in this case, that's Namecheap. Now from here, just sign into your Namecheap account. So click continue. Then it will send an email with a code in it to your email address. So simply go and enter that code. And again, click continue. Then it will authenticate if it's your account by checking if the code is correct. From there, it will then redirect you to the records you need to add. So right here you need to add 2 A records, so please confirm that you would like to update these records. Now with Lovable it will just do this for you, so click OK, continue. Then it will set up those DNS records inside of your Namecheap domain, so I'll show you that this is actually happening live. If I go to manage right here on my domain and then advanced DNS, currently it is setting up 2 A records that are going to redirect to Lovable. So you can see it's now configured. Changes typically take less than a few hours to go live, however it can take up to 48 hours. So click done. Now you have added your domain right here, so danimakestutorials.online. Now you can see currently they are still propagating, which you can see on the sort of black circle right here. Once it's complete, you will see it right there, and you can then select it as your domain for your Lovable website or app. So just go and wait for the domain to propagate or the DNS records to propagate. Again, this should happen within a few hours, but it can take up to 48 hours. So once this is done, you will then have connected your domain, and you can then simply select it right here as the main domain for your Lovable app. So now you know how to connect a Namecheap domain to Lovable. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.